This video shows an animation of the TAC, the Tabletop Automation Center, performing a hypothetical testing of urine specimens. While the animation is not fully complete, it provides a look at one type of biotech application. The operation involves trays of commercially available plastic vials and urine specimen bottles. The bottom of each vial contains an embedded passive radiofrequency identification chip, while the specimen bottles are labeled with barcodes. The process involves partially filling each vial with reagent fluid, then placing drops of urine from each of the specimen bottles into a separate pair of vials. To begin with, the standard magazines are replaced with bi-level ones. The left magazine is loaded with specimen bottles, trays of empty vials, and disposable syringe tips. More specimens are placed on the right magazine, along with empty trays. The carriage is equipped with a gripper, syringe, and capper. On the work table is placed a ring fixture. The fixture is filled with empty vials. A dispenser partially fills the vials with reagent fluid. A clamping device is used to hold the bottles. A barcode reader records the bottles. The cap is removed. The syringe picks up a disposable tip and then some urine. Drops are placed into 2 of the vials. The syringe disposes of the used tip. The cap is replaced. The bottle is returned and a second bottle is selected. but to speed things up, it'll be put right back. Then a bottle is selected from the other side and again put back. Either or both sides can be used for inputting or outputting product items. Once all the vials in the fixture have been processed, plastic caps are crimped onto them. The vials are moved to the right magazine after their embedded chips are read. The process is done when all the specimens have been tested, with all the processed vials placed in the trays on the right. The TAC controls and can take readings from all the devices shown and provides an electronic file showing which vials were tested with which specimen bottles. And that completes this biotech application.